Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you've got a Shopify store, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how to add sticky add to cart on your store. So let us jump into it. On the left hand side, you will see your apps option, and you're going to tap on that. And here you're going to go down to all recommended apps and jump into the Shopify app store right at the bottom. Now, alternatively, you can just dial in apps.shopify.com and you'll get up to here. Now, the thing that we're looking for is Up Sticky. Now, this is a third-party app, and the icon looks like this. It's a little shopping cart with a dollar inside of it, a dollar sign. We're going to just tap on install over here on the left-hand side, and this will allow us to customize that cart button, that add to cart. Here we're going to tap on install, and we're going to go through the process of having this integrated into our Shopify store. Now, right after you've clicked install, you'll see that it'll land you up on the settings page of the Uplinky Sticky Cart app that you've just integrated. The first thing you can do here is select a plan. We're going to go with the basic plan over here on the right hand side, and then you're going to be in the settings. So what we can do here under general is we can display on either desktops, laptops, and tablets, or only mobile phones. We're going to leave it on all devices. That means that this sticky add to cart will display on all types of devices, and then display after, and we can choose when it actually starts to display. So we're going to go ahead and just say page load. So this is like an always display, and then we're going to choose that animation. We want to choose either a bounce, flash, pulse, rubber band, or shake. Let us add a bounce to it, and then the location. So either on the top of the screen or the bottom of the screen. It really depends on where you would like to do this. Now, I'm going to use the bottom, and on the right hand side you can actually see what it's starting to look like. So if you want to have a look at those different animations, you can see that is how it looks. So we go down here, and you'll see over here you can enable Google Analytics integration, and then you can also have it displayed on every single page of your Shopify store. Now I'm going to leave this unselected because I would like it only on my products page. Over here you can pick your customized colors. Now, if you say automatically pick colors and size, this basically allows the button to adapt to your theme in your Shopify store. Alternatively, we can unselect that automatically pick colors and size, and we can go ahead and choose the font color. I'm going to leave the font color white, and I'm going to go ahead with the background color, and I'm going to make it red so that it can really pop. You can also change the font size over here, and then also the padding. So let's bump this up quite a bit, and you can see that that is what it'll start to look like. And once you're done, you can go to the bottom of the page and tap on enable. Now, the rest of the settings here between custom, CSS, and advanced, you don't really have to worry about too much. You can go in there and explore, but the general idea has been completed. Now, if we go to our online store and just tap on the little eyeball button, we can now jump into our product page. So let's go ahead and let's have a look at this product. And you can see over here there's a massive add to cart button over here, and it's bouncing, right? And this is fantastic. Maybe you can customize it and make sure that it is to your liking. We'll see you in another awesome video. Peace out.